Hair serums available in the market are full of chemicals. Turns out DIY hair serums can also be the perfect home remedies for hair fall. Today's video discusses how to make hair serums at home.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
Hair serums hence are important since they travel deep into your hair and scalp to make them healthy and ensure that your tresses remain beautiful. But the truth is that the ones available in the market are full of chemicals which might give you a glossy appearance but won't nourish your strands. Here is how I made the serum. I grated 2 Indian gooseberry and added them to 1 cup of coconut oil and a quarter cup of castor oil. I placed this mixture in a pan and heated on low flame till it came to a boil. I then strained this mixture through a sieve to get rid of all the gooseberry chunks. Next, I transferred it to a bottle and my hair serum was ready. The reason why I chose this product was because I was suffering at the hand of hair falls and my hair looked extremely dry. I wanted to counter these two problems to ensure better hair health. Turns out I made the right decision. Indian gooseberry is a traditional hair remedy since it is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It won't just stop hair fall but also ensure hair growth and delay chance of aging such as graying. Coconut oil, as we know, is extremely moisturizing. It fights dryness and makes sure your hair is hydrated at all times. Castor oil is known to fight hair loss while spurring hair growth. Here's how I used it. I used it for a month after each hair wash, which was more than enough. Because my hair fall had reduced, it was definitely a relief to see the number of strands on my hairbrush reducing. However, what impressed me the most about this serum was how it fixed the dryness. After regularly applying this serum, my hair was visibly moisturized enough to avoid tangling, which made brushing it an easier task. Moreover, it became way easier to manage throughout the day. What's more, this serum successfully restored the shine to my tresses. With this, I have realized that making your own hair serum is a definitely good idea given that you can customize it according to your own need. And when you do that, you will see the results you want. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.